Hello, I'm so happy. It is my big day today, my graduation day. I met my friend Igor. She lives in Croatia. Croatia. So right now I have chance to learn Croatia language. For example, how are you? How to say? How are you?
Kako si?
Kakusa.
Kako si?
Kakusi. And my name is Emily.
Zovem se Emily.
Zovem. Emily. And teach me how to sing a Croatia song. Simple
No.
No, okay. Yes, I have Facebook. You have Facebook, right? Yes. I will add you.
Okay, it's easier, right?
What does this mean?
No, Thea is not.
Oh, Teresa, yeah.
Thea.
Nice to meet you. Sarah. I will find him and then add
But we are not friends.
No.
I don't want my mother to be my friend on Facebook.
Okay. I asked Igor later. And then we can
I will see
exchange
by
language.
his Facebook. Your name is
Emily, yes, Emily Chen. So how to say goodbye?
Doviđenja.
Doviđenja.
Yeah, very good.
Doviđenja. Пока in Russian. Пока.
Пока.
До свидания.
До свидания.
Yeah.
We